Man, it's hot. I just got home from Walmart and got some stuff. I think I'm going to make a strawberry bisque. Please enjoy this and let me know what you think. Hello, welcome to Always on the Move. Today we're going to make something called strawberry bisque. You've probably seen it, a popular dish on Carnival. So I thought today that I'd make it for you real quick. It's very simple. So, it says we need some strawberries, frozen strawberries, 2 cups. I took and bought fresh ones because I like fresh strawberries. And just add it to your blender. Okay, and with the measuring cup, it says a cup of milk. Now I did almond milk because I'm lactose tolerant, but you can use regular milk. Okay, so our cup. Half a cup of heavy cream. Now I know being lactose tolerant, I still have to take a pill because all this dairy products, but I'll make the best out of it. Half a cup. Right. Got our heavy cream. Now I'm going to take and put a half a cup of sour cream. Just got all this stuff, I'm having to open it. Here in Florida, it has been extremely hot. And I just wanted something that would be cool. And it would not affect Project Speedo. Now, if you're not familiar with what Project Speedo is, it's an inside joke with the cruising community right now about trying to get in shape. So, just deal that a second. Okay. Of course, it didn't want to come out. Alright, so I've cleaned the area. Now I'm going to take and put the blender on and blend it up real quick. Then it's saying to add sugar. So to stir it in. Right. So it's just 2 tablespoons of sugar. And what I'm going to do is instead of stir it in, I'm just going to blend it. That way it's all together. And now that I've poured the bowls, I actually had more than what I thought, I'm going to let them chill overnight, or about 8 hours is what the recipe says. I might have it a little bit earlier because it looks really good. And it's hot today, so it's been 94 degrees here in Panama City. Now, as you've noticed, my channel name has changed. Okay, it's now Always on the Move instead of my name. Had too many students, because I'm a teacher, finding me and just spamming my channel, so I went ahead and changed it. So if you're one of my former students, hello, I see you. Alright, so I have let this strawberry bisque chill for about 6-7 hours. And so I want to do a taste test real quick. I know it's not completely done. I just want to test it along the way. It is very creamy. very frothy like. So let's see how it tastes. Ooh. That is very refreshing. Plenty of strawberry and plenty of just like bliss. Definitely is refreshing. Thank you for watching, and I will see you next time on Always on the Move. Maybe in the morning I can give the cows the strawberry tops. We'll have to see if they're over here at the house or if they're being moody. So, see you later. Thank you for watching.